Hi everyone. What we have learned earlier will help us understand today's problems. First one, in the figure P parallel to Q. Find the unknown angles. Angle D equals 125 degree. They are corresponding angles. Next, angle D equals angle B. That also 125 degree. They are vertically opposite angle. It is denoted by V dot O dot A. Now 125 plus F equals 125 degree plus F equals 180 degree. They are linear pair. Recall the definition of linear pair. These angles are supplementary as well as adjacent angles. Therefore, F equals 180 minus 125 degree become 55 degree. F equals 55 degree. Now F equals E, that is also 55 degree. Again they are vertically opposite angles. Now angle F equals angle A, that also 55 degree. Alternate angles. Alternate angles are on either side of the transversal. These are interior alternate angles. They are inside but on either side of the transversal. Now we have find out all unknown angles. Next problem, find the value of x in each of the following figure. Here 110 degree. Now this also become 110 degree because they are vertically opposite angles. Now 110 degree plus x equals 180 degree. So sum of the co-interior angles should be 180 degree. Therefore, x equals 180 minus 110, 70 degree. Now in the next one, x equals 100 degree. Easily you can observe these two are parallel, so they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are always equal. Next one. In the figure, the arms of two angles are parallels. If angle ABC equals 70 degree, then find DGC and then DEF. The problem it is given arms of two angles. Now in angle ABC, AB is one arm, BC is one arm. And in angle DEF, DE is one arm, E is another arm. Now AB parallel to DE. Then BC become the transversal. So angle ABC equals angle DGC. They become the corresponding angles. Angle ABC is equal to angle DGC 70 degree. They are corresponding angles. Next, angle DGC is equal to angle DEF. That is also 70 degree because they are corresponding angles. When BC parallel to EF, DE become the transversal. So they are corresponding angles. Next one, in the given figure below, decide whether L is parallel to M. Here, two lines, straight lines are given, L and M. We have to check whether they are parallel. Now in the first problem, 126 degree and 44 degree, these two angles are co-interior angles or angles on the same side of transversal. Now if you add it, it should be 180 degree. But this is not 180 degree. Therefore, L is not parallel to M. And write L is not parallel to M. First one, write down L is not parallel to M. What is the reason? Sum of, because sum of co-interior angles are not equal to 180 degree. Now in the second one, this is 75 degree, This also become 75 degree. Here also these two angles are angles on the same side of the transversal. If you add it, it should be 180 degree. Now let us check it. 75 plus 75. If you add it, you are getting as 150 degree. Here also L is not parallel to M. What is the reason? Again, angles on the same side of the transversal is not equal to 180 degree. Same reason. Sum of co-interior angles is not equal to 180 degree. Now the third one, check it. Yeah, this is 123 degree and find out this angle. They are linear pair. Sum of the angles should be 180 degree. What is meant by linear pair? These angles should be supplementary as well as adjacent angle. So to find out this angle, subtract from 180 degree. 180 minus 123, 57 degree. Now these two becomes equal. So which type of angle they are? Corresponding angles. So L parallel to M. So third one, L parallel to M. What is the reason? Because alternate angles are equal. Next, fourth one. Yeah, this is 72 degree. This also become 72 degree because vertically opposite angles. Again, add these two angles because they are co-interior angles. If their sum is equal to 180 degree, then L parallel to M. Let us check it. 98 degree plus 72 degree is equal to 170 degree. Sum is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, L is not parallel to M. Okay, remaining problems I'm going to do in the next class. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.